गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है।
Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam Ummati Nabi or Shari'i Nabi. Ahmadiyya Jamaat considers Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam as the Ummati Prophet. What is the difference between Ummti Nabi and Shari'i Nabi? According to the Ahmadiyya Jamaat, Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani alayhi salam is the Ummati Nabi, prophet who has not come with new law, not the prophet with Sharia or law. The main difference between the Ummati prophet and the Sharai prophet is as follows. 1. Ummati Nabi. An Ummati prophet is a prophet who comes as a follower of an existing Sharia and religion, and his responsibility is not to reimpose or change the Sharia. Rather, he interprets, revises, and renews the pre-existing Sharia. Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani alayhi salam is considered the Ummati prophet because he was a true follower of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, and came to renew his teachings, not to give a new law. A Sharai prophet. A Sharai prophet is a prophet who brings a new law from Allah, and his responsibility is to provide a new guidance and new laws to mankind. Shari'i prophet initiates a complete and new religion. For example, Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, began prophethood with the Quran and complete Sharia. Belief of Ahmadiyya Jamaat. According to Ahmadiyya Jamaat, Hazrat Mirza Ahmad Qadiani alayhi salam did not bring Shariat. He was a Ummati prophet of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his aim was only to reform Muslims and renew Islamic teachings. He did not claim to have brought a new law. Rather, he believed that the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, were complete and final, and that following them was the true guidance. Thus, Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani alayhi salam is called the Ummati Nabi, because he does not claim a new Shariat, but rather renews and interprets the teachings of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, and completes his guidance.
गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है। गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है।